Hello, everyone, and welcome. It's been almost 2 weeks since my last update, and a lot has changed. You can't really tell because the background sort of is the same. But let me just show you the update of what we have been doing. So, we're coming up on the hallway, and as you can see, we've done the entire wall, it's plastered it straight. Both bedrooms have the walls completed, as well as the bathroom. These two walls, we're just going to put the tiles straight onto the bricks. So that's why they're like that. So they're ready as well. I also have this lovely little contraption that is designed to help me raise drywall sheets to the ceiling and attach them there. And most importantly, and what took quite a lot of time, are the windowsills. They are straight, they are ready, and they are awesome. This is the first time I did it, and they are good to go. Of course, some finishing touches are needed, but we have two rooms almost ready, and I have also installed the supports in the bathroom. This is going to be the first one that's going to get the ceiling done on these supports. The drywall sheets are going to be raised and attached to it. And I'm gonna try and make a video of that today. Again, the windowsills are done all over, including in this room as well as the technical room, and even the archway is done in drywall. There is a tiny scuff mark over there. The drywall broke midway, but it was easily attached, and that gets easily covered with plaster when we're going to do that part. So yeah, I can't believe how well and easy this was. Although a bit time consuming, the process was straightforward. Some of the girders have not been covered in the drywall because I'm going to just manually do it's a small area, and I'm manually going to cover that in plaster when that when that step will arrive. And besides that, right on that wall there will be an air conditioning unit that will serve as the air conditioning unit for the entire floor. So there's no point in me adding a drywall sheet when I know something really relatively heavy is going to be attached to it. All right, I'm gonna put pause right now on the video, and I will film the process when I mount the drywall sheet on the bathroom ceiling.
Okay. We managed to put the dry sheet on the machine, and now we are going to lift it.
We're going to try.
Okay. Okay, and now
fairly good-ish.
Dar
Still.
problema e cum o să ajungi tu să pui ea.
Aia e problemă.
Că
And the chair is on his highest level. The chair is very important.
First we block the wheel so it doesn't go anywhere.
Na, fugi de acolo. Fugi de acolo, dacă îi pică lui tactul în cap, mai găsesc bărbat, dar copil nu mai găsesc.
That's love for you.
Okay. And we have ceiling in the bathroom. Part of ceiling. So proud of my husband. Houston, we have a big problem. Bucățica asta unde vine prinsă? Că aici o să vină, n-are cum să se prinde și acolo, îți mai trebuie din asta aici. Adică aia trebuie
You
pusă...
can notice that this drywall sheet is actually bigger than the ones we have by about 20 centimeters.
Exactly. So that part...
So that means that all the measurements that I took
They're not okay.
were off. So I'm just going to have to make another one of those and just put it up there after I mount this.
Exactly. Too.
I'm just going to waste some extra material because I'm too lazy to actually stop what I'm doing and move that thing.
Okay. And it was cheaper than the other. And it is bigger, so it's okay. Okay, the moment of truth.
Truth.
Truth. Sorry. Okay, we have a part of the ceiling and it's there, not falling. Perfect.
Okay, so are you ready for it? It's done. I know. I mentioned on the brick wall here, the tiles are gonna come straight onto it. It's making no point in adding drywall. It's straight enough, and any differences in elevations will be covered by the adhesive with which the tiles are mounted. Again, all the walls are done, and the ceiling is also completely done. Look at that. Look at the wonderful straight ceiling. All of it. Yes, I know the lighting was better. Let's try it from this angle. Wow, it's even better. Though I can't really get the lighting to work. The light from the window is quite a thing to see. All right, cool. So, the entire bathroom, it's done. There's gonna be another light fixture over there. I have plenty of room to do whatever I want with it. Isn't that a freaking awesome one? Also, oh yeah, the lights work. Look at that. Everything is right. Yes, it's a major victory for me. It's a major victory because I now know that I can do all the work. Well, me and the wife, we can do all of the work ourselves. We don't need to hire contractors for this. It's relatively easy it doesn't put a strain on my back, which is the most important thing. I can take it slow as I need, and I have straight walls at the end of the day. And our biggest concern was, hey, can I really hang anything on these walls? It turns out you can, especially if you're talking like small picture frame, that's gonna be fine. When I want to mount a TV on the wall, I just have to go all the way to the brick, and for that there are special types of bolts and wall mounts. I don't know what they're called in English, but there are solutions, there are systems for it. So if you enjoyed this show of me doing this, the most horrible part of mounting this was adding the insulation. We have like 3 layers of insulation because when we poured the concrete slabs for the roof, it's also in the bedroom over there. So we added heavy polystyrene. You can see it right there. It's made for isolating floors, but it works well on the ceilings. And literally the cement was poured over this. It literally formed the platform that the cement was poured on. This helps insulate it. And on top of that, between that and the drywall, the ceiling drywall, we added I can't even say it. It's glass cotton, I think it's anyway, it's this thing. We didn't want to use this. We weren't forced to use this, but we made the mistake when we ordered it, or the person at the shop totally misunderstood our order, and that's how we got that. So we tried using it on just one room. We're sending it the rest of it back. It's fucking horrible. It makes your skin itch like hell. It's horrible. Don't use that. Okay? We used basaltic, not basaltic, it's some other kind of insulation. It's rock wool. Anyway, that thing is okay. That thing is more than fine. And we wanted to get that, but somebody made a mistake somewhere along the line, and that's what we got. So yeah, we are going to exchange the 3 remaining unopened pallets. We're gonna put them in the car and just drive it back and just get the good stuff for the rest of the house, because I'm not going through all that again just to get itchy skin and have to take 1,000 showers just to be happy again. So, but we got that done. So even that, we got that done, and it's like 3 layers of insulation plus a cement plaque over it. Heat is not going up that way. Up there is the attic. We want that insulated, and it's fine. So yeah, we are no heat is going. First, the heat has to go through the drywall, which is in itself relatively good insulation. Then it has to go through the glass fiber wool thingy. Then through the extra polystyrene, and through the concrete slab. It's not going that way. All the heat is staying right here where we want it, in our bedrooms and the bathroom. And with that, the bathroom is done. And I thank you for checking out this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one. And if you enjoyed the content, please subscribe, share it with a friend, and hit that like button. All right, bye-bye. I'll see you in the next one.